Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are good and enjoying your work. So, are you all ready to learn today? Are you all ready? That's good. So, let us start with today's class. Today, we are going to start with Hindi. So, go fast and bring your Hindi book. Okay? Go fast. आपको कौन सी बुक लेकर आनी है? हिंदी बुक, चाइल्ड सेंट्रिक हिंदी चित्र पुस्तिका परफेक्शन टूल किट 1 of 2. Okay, now let us turn the page. What we are going to do today? आज हम recap कर रहे हैं all the स्वर. We have completed all the स्वर. We have done all the स्वर. So we are going to do a quick recap of all the स्वर. ठीक है? Done? आज आपको सारे स्वर पहचानने हैं, उनके चित्र पहचानने हैं, स्वर की फॉर्मेशन को पहचानना है. So this is our session number 42 today. Recap of all the swar. Okay, what is this? What is this? अनार, अनार. ये कौन सा स्वर है? ये है अ. कौन सा स्वर है? अ. और ये क्या है? अ से अनार, अ से अनार. कौन सा फ्रूट है ये? अनार. अ से अनार, अ से अनार. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट कौन सा है? ये कौन सा स्वर है? आ. कौन सा स्वर है? आ. आ से आम, आ से आम. मीठा रसीला आम. आ से आम, आ से आम. ई से इमली, ई से इमली, ई से इमली. ये कौन सा स्वर है? ई. ई, ई, ईक, ई, ईक, ई, ईक. इसे हम और क्या कहते हैं? गन्ना. ई, ईक, ई, ईक. उ, उल्लू, उ, उल्लू, उ, उल्लू. ये कौन है? उल्लू. और ये कौन सा स्वर है? उ. ऊ, ऊन, ऊ, ऊन. ऊन से क्या बनता है? ऊन से स्वेटर बनता है. ऊ, ऊन, ऊ, ऊन. री. ये कौन सा स्वर है? री. री से ऋषि, री से ऋषि. री, ऋषि, री, ऋषि, री, ऋषि. ए, एड़ी, ए, एड़ी, ए, एड़ी. ए, ऐनक, ए, ऐनक. ओ, ओखली. ये क्या है? ओखली. What is this? This is ओखली. क्या है ये? इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ओखली. ओ, ओखली. ओ, औरत, ओ, औरत. अंग, अंगूर. कौन सा फ्रूट है ये? अंगूर. ग्रेप्स. अंग, अंगूर. अंग, अंगूर. अ, खाली, अ, खाली. सो ये है स्वर. ओके, ये क्या है? स्वर. नाउ लुक इन योर बुक. अ, अनार. आ, आम. इ, इमली. ई, ईख. उ, उल्लू. ऊ, ऊन. री, ऋषि. ए, एड़ी. ए, ऐनक. ओ, ओखली. औरत. अंगूर, अ खाली, अ खाली और बजाओ ताली। So आज हमने क्या किया है? We have done recap of all स्वर। आपको ये सब स्वर पहचानने हैं, इनके चित्र पहचानने हैं। ओके, moving on to next. Now it's rhyme time. So now let's listen to the rhyme. Open your book, turn the page. Very good. Turn the page. Today, last time we are going to listen to the rhyme Little Peter Rabbit. From tomorrow onwards, we'll start a new rhyme. Okay? So let's listen to the rhyme. So this was the rhyme Little Peter Rabbit. Moving on to next, now you have to open your writing book. So all of you go and bring your child-centric writing skills perfection toolkit Joyful Bee. Okay. So here we start our writing skills book. Open the book. All of you open the book. So this was the way I told that you have to make letter A on sand. Okay, you have to use your index finger and middle finger. With help of that, you have to form letter A. Tracing can be done in sand, salt, wheat flour, rice, etc. Okay, you have to spread it in a box or a tray. So this way I told you to form letter A. Okay. Before writing it on your notebook or book, you have to write it on sand, wheat flour, salt or rice. So that day I introduced letter A. So which object is this? A apple, A axe, A arrow, A ambulance, A ant, A alligator. So which letter is this? This is letter A. Let us write it. Take out your pencils. I hope your pencils are sharpened. Very good. So you have to join the dots. Even in your summer break holidays, you are done with writing and tracing of letter A. You all have done tracing of letter A? Very good. So this way you will trace letter A. Which letter is this? This is letter A. This is letter A. Parents, you must have observed that there is a big box over here. We have not given 4-lined page just because initially first the child will learn how to form a particular letter, then only we can give them restrictions that you have to write in these 4 lines. अभी बच्चों को फॉर्मेशन नहीं आती, so we can't force them to write in the 4 lines. Let them learn the formations first, then put them into the rules and regulations of lines. Okay, so this way they will learn, they will write freely, they will learn to write freely. So that's why this box is given. You will not force them that you have to write here or here. They can write small, big as per their convenience, but just starting from this dot they will start their letter. First of all, they'll do the tracing of these letters, then they have to form it in the free mode. They have to put a curve, then this. But please don't force them. First, make them practice on the wheat flour, salt or rice, then introduce this book to them. Okay, they have to complete up to this box. And this practice will go on routine basis. Once this page will complete, so every day you have to put a dot in their notebook. We have given you a big box notebook, so the child will do the work in that notebook. Every day half page, at least 6 formations a day only. A alligator. Alice the alligator made friends with ants and now they are crawling all over her pants. Okay, so they have to trace with their index and middle finger the hollow letter above before the trace and then write each letter. So here is a letter given. They have to trace it with their finger first, with their middle and index finger. So we can ask the questions to the child about ants, and they like sweet things. Just the children do. Like the way the kids love to eat sweet things, they love to eat candies, chocolates. So the same way ants like to eat sweet things. So you can ask them, what is the color of an apple? This is not only a cramming page. आपको सिर्फ writing नहीं करवानी है. You have to make them learn. You have to put a questions from this page. Like, what is the color of an apple? Is it sweet or sour? Do you like to eat an apple? Okay. Alligators live on land and in water. They love to be in water. Then you will discuss about alligator. That alligator lives on land and water, but they love to live in water. They have very sharp teeth and big mouth. Ask them, have you seen an ambulance? You can ask them, have you seen an ambulance and what is ambulance used for? You can correlate it with the story that we did in spoken English, that the ant took the apple to the hospital on an ambulance. So ambulance, what is the purpose of using an ambulance? Okay, show the children a knife and tell them it is used for cutting vegetables or fruits, then point out to the axe. फिर आपको axe दिखानी है. First of all, you will show them knife, that it is used for cutting and chopping of vegetables and fruits. Then after that, you will show them axe, axe, to cut big things like wood. You have to actually create the story. All of a sudden they will not understand what is axe. First of all, आप उन्हें knife दिखाना है. आप उन्हें बताएंगे कि आप knife क्यों use करते हैं, for cutting of fruits and vegetables. Now introduce the axe to them. Why we use axe? For cutting of the large things. We cannot use the knife, so we use axe for cutting of wood and other things. Okay. You can also share the story of woodcutter and the golden eggs. Okay. What was the story of woodcutter and golden eggs? You can tell them. Have the children wiggle fingers above their elbow as if ants are crawling. Okay. Have the children wiggle their fingers above their elbow and as if they will feel like ants are crawling, and they will say ant, ant. You must have seen that syllabus is not designed just to cover the writing or the learning. This is combined page. Learning as well as writing both will take place simultaneously. We don't want our children to cram the things. We want our children to learn each and every concept in a very broad manner. So this is the real understanding of a child. We are done for the day. The child has to practice writing of letter A on this page. You have to learn the rhyme Little Peter Rabbit, because from tomorrow we will start our new rhyme and give a recap of all the swar and their images. Okay, so we are done with today's class. We will meet tomorrow. Goodbye, take care, miss you all, bye.